Welcome to 263 South Eagle Creek, located in desirable Cove Lake off of Richmond Road. This home is a 4-bed, 2-bath, split level that has some updates I think you'll love, and the backyard is super private. So if you have any questions or you want to check it out, text or call me at 859-402-4766.